Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the newly renovated Green Mile, which is the walkway between Lumpini Park and Benjakitti Park. And the reason they called it the Green Mile was it used to be green. Now it looks like it's been painted red and purple and white and orange. So it's now the multicolored mile, and it's still under construction, but it's open. It was closed for a while they were renovating. Looks like they might put in water things or something. I don't know what that'll be. I'm guessing it'll be little water features or something. But this is a nice path to get you up and above the city and in between two of the most popular parks in Bangkok. I just walked around Lumpini Park for a while, checked out all the water monitor lizards, big freaking dragons. They're pretty wild. They really need to renovate this over here. These houses are just abandoned shacks. That is some valuable property. And that right there is the one Bangkok, like the newest mall slash condo slash hotspot. I think they have office. It's like office tower, condo tower, and some shopping. All right, here's some green, the Green Mile. And it's not actually a mile either. It's more like a kilometer. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. It's a scorcher out right now too. 91 degrees. Sun's beating down, wearing a black shirt. Feeling it. Black wool shirt. Oh, look at this. They have a little pulley system. You can buy stuff from there and they'll send it up to you in a bucket. Busy road over here. And here is Benjakitti Park. Used to be able to go through here and walk down that. Can't get over to Benjakitti Park or what? Gotta walk through the entrance there. Figured out. So I guess the Green Mile is not completely open. Alright, here's Benjakitti. Alright, well that was the Green Mile, which was nowhere near a mile. I don't even think it's a kilometer. Didn't take very long to walk that, under 10 minutes. So Just wanted to give you a little look at it, see what they've done to it, and it's still not finished, so come back in a couple months, see what it looks like when they're all done. I think they're gonna have some water features, which will be pretty cool. So that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.